all you need is one of these per time you go to the toilet. So a roll should last you a long time. So what you do is you fold it
Very carefully.
like that, and then you fold it like that. Nice little square. And then tear this corner off. And it's very important that you keep this. You unfold it. Then you use your finger. When you're done, like that, and your finger, and then this. Where did it go?
It's very important that you keep it.
And the corner is for cleaning your fingers. Wash your hands,
Shake your hand again.
and you're done.
He did say wash your hands.
Okay.